The United Nations has said that the dams in India and the United States pose a threat to the whole world. More than 1,000 dams in India, including Mullaperiyar, and 90,580 dams in the United States are of concern. Over 1,000 large dams in India will be roughly 50 years old in 2025, and such aging embankments across the world pose a growing threat, according to a UN report which notes that by 2050, most people on Earth will live downstream of tens of thousands of dams built in the 20th century. The report, titled Aging Water Infrastructure, an Emerging Global Risk and compiled by United Nations University's Canadian-based Institute for Water, Environment and Health, says most of the 58,700 large dams worldwide were constructed between 1930 and 1970 with a design life of 50 to 100 years. It said that at 50 years, a large concrete dam would most probably begin to express signs of aging. Aging signs include increasing cases of dam failures, progressively increasing costs of dam repair and maintenance, increasing reservoir sedimentation and loss of dam's functionality and effectiveness. Strongly interconnected manifestations, the report said. By 2050, most people on Earth will live downstream of tens of thousands of large dams built in the 20th century, many of them already operating at or beyond their design life, according to the UN University analysis. According to the report, the world is unlikely to witness another large dam building revolution as in the mid-20th century, but dams constructed then will inevitably be showing their age. The report said that approximately 3.5 million people are at risk if India's Mullaperiyar Dam in Kerala, built over 100 years ago, were to fail. The pace of large dam construction has dropped dramatically in the last 4 decades and continues to decline in part because the best locations for such dams globally have been progressively diminishing, as nearly 50% of global river volume is already fragmented or regulated by dams, the report says. News Desk Kaumudi, English.